How to fix Roblox Error Code 227. Let's get started. This error typically occurs due to connection issues or problems with the game server. This error can be frustrating, but here are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve it. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the primary causes of error 227. To fix this, restart your router. Unplug the router for 10 to 15 seconds, plug it back in and reconnect. Try switching between networks, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Check your device storage, likewise offload the app Roblox. Head towards the option of General, then navigate to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage, if not you can delete the unused apps. Then open the app Roblox, click on Upload app, click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. Once you do that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, head back, disable VPN or proxy, click on the option of VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Try disabling them and reconnecting to see if the problem resolves. Next, update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Roblox. After app appears, you'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it, then update the app to its latest version. Reset your network. Click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your phone passcode over here and go through the process. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is contact Roblox support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Roblox Error Code 227 and enjoy smoother gameplay. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.